It's a very simple topic. Life is a series of choices. In other words, in our opinion, give decisions choices, decisions Jeremiah chapter 29, verse 11. I want to break this down. For I know the plans that I have for you. And the plans that I have for you, I see the plan I see the plan but the plans that I have for you is to make you prosper. But I want us to understand something. The plan does not mean a final product. Planning I don't know just different age. But as I am saying to you, the plan I didn't wish yourself. She said we can plan things. We can plan things. That's why I'm saying to you, I want to break this down. When God says I have the plans for you, but as I'm saying to you, plans does not mean completion. After the plan, now, what is the plan of God to fulfill all these things that is saying in our lives? Deuteronomy chapter 8, verse 15 to verse 20. Yes, you will actually give a little plan to come this is the plan that I have for you. You will build the big houses. This is the plan that I have for you. It is not yet a final product. It is get at who finish Atikano. In our plan, fair. Or in I change the plan here. We saw that you would like it cheap. We saw that you would like it cement. All these plans, they have to be successful. Let our Deuteronomy chapter 8. Now, what did I get Deuteronomy? Only family. Can you catch it in Israel? Can you talk in Chichemo now? Because I have plans for you. Let me check you fasting. Can you cheer because I have plans for you. Can you check Chichemo? Just follow the dinner. Because I have some plans for you, plans to give you a better future, plans to give you beautiful homes, plans to give you families that are at peace. I want you to choose. That's why I said to you, life is a series of choices. Life is a series of decision makings. I am saying to you, everything that happens in your life, it is the result of your choices. Yes, nkare ba ke na le plan ya go fa mosadi. Nkare ba ke na le plan ya go fa koloi. Nkare ba ke na le plan ya go fa mmereko. But there is one thing that I want you to choose. There is life and death in between. There is life and death in between. Ibili ke di jale ba go di mo ke nyaka o li ka tele ni na. Ibili ba kana o ba khethishe is because u ba khwedi ba ntse ba na bojwala. U ba khwedi ba ntse ba la pala medication. U ba khwedi ba ntse ba tuma malapa. U ba khwedi ba ntse ba utswa abatshia Jesu ka ebita abatsha arigisha kanala. That is the plan that I have for you. Mara o re kgone go fihla kwa ikgetheleng bophelo le bokgositše. In other words, he's saying to them, whether on a 40 years, on a 50 years, give the choices and for you to move forward. You have to choose again.
Amen.
Isaiah chapter 58. Isaiah chapter 58. Prayer and fasting. And prayer and fasting. But Monday to Friday, prayer and fasting. Because you said you have the plans for us. You said your plans come up. You said the plan but you said your plans about us.
Amen.
This is an innocent God. I respond in the book of Isaiah chapter 60. He said, choosing life. Choosing life. I remember because